Hi, welcome back. I'm Dr. Adam Jaffe from Montgomery Animal Hospital in Rockville, Maryland. A couple of questions that I tend to get. One, I just had a baby. How do I introduce my dog or my cat to my child? And another question is, I have children. What type of pet is right for me? To answer the first one, I generally say to when you're in the hospital and you're getting ready to deliver, have the husband or a family member bring a blanket or a hat or something that is of the baby's, so it has the baby's smell on it, and then take it home and have your pet able to sniff it, get used to the smell so they can anticipate what's going on. Prior to that, actually when you're working on a nursery or maybe you're doing making changes, dogs and cats are very in tune with changes that are going on. Just like when you go out of town and you're packing, your pet knows that you're leaving. And if you're working on something different, they don't know it's a nursery, but they know it's a room, and let them have access, let them walk around it so it's not just startling to them. So now your pet has been able to sniff the blanket or the hat or whatever it is. Now you're coming home with your child. What I say is, come in with your stroller, with your carrier, and you don't necessarily have to let them, you can hold on to it, you don't have to set it down if you don't feel comfortable, but let them sort of sniff, let them see, let them look and see what this creature is that's making all these little cooing noises and or crying, and they'll be less startled, and in fact they can be very protective over the new baby. So make sure that you allow them to have access and smell as well. As far as allowing the dog or the cat to be in the room with the child, like in the crib, you do have to be a little bit careful because you don't necessarily want the dog or the cat jumping into the crib with your baby. But most of the time they just tend to sit around and they just want to be protective of it. And so you just want to sort of be more of a guardian to make sure nothing really happens with that. As far as what pet is right for my family, there are a lot of factors that go into that. Do I have a child with allergies, in which case cat may not be the best thing. There aren't too many hypoallergenic cats, but perhaps you want to get one of the more hypoallergenic dog breeds. Do I have three young children under the age of 7 and they're kind of wild and crazy and tend to tug and pull? I have 3 boys and they are pretty much bulls in a china shop. I don't know if a cat in my house would be the best because they'll run and tug and grab on things, and cats tend to be less friendly about having their tail pulled than my golden retriever did. So you want a breed of dog or a pet that's going to be tolerant of the situation that you have. So it's important to sort of match the personality of your family with the personality of the pet that you're trying to get. Anyway, I hope that helps. This is Dr. Adam Jaffe, Montgomery Animal Hospital in Rockville, Maryland. Thank you.